Boom, welcome back to JAMMIWOOD TV. You know, we're back with a new movie called Instant Karma. You know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, and make sure you leave the comments.
Up yourself, every day you live out of your house feel like you not have nobody. What make you say so? No little brought up say you not have man. What you say?
See, sometimes when I go to school, I don't understand certain things. You understand?
What you not understand?
It's like I not learn. All I try to learn is like I not learn. It's like I not learn.
I might conquer in your head.
Guys, look at how 2 plus 2 could be 4. Or 4 to 2. Wait now. And not 2 plus. Never mind. I'm ready for school.
Go on like you know no sense. Come, tuck in your shirt and your pants.
They say we not have to wear it. Alright. This tight man.
I'm tell you something. I'm here to warn you. Listen to me. Look at me. Look at me. I go want you stay out of bad company. You hear me I tell her?
Yeah,
I don't want you to I must bad company in make you want to wear shirt out of pants. As a man, you're supposed to tuck in your shirt in your pants.
Yeah, sorry, man.
See your lunch money here. Carry back $200. What is?
We can't go to game shop now.
Bob, don't play with me. You hear me I tell her? You really look for me and tell me say you go to game shop with who for money? With who for money?
Nothing money you give me. $200 what I have for you and you inside for me.
Bob, $800 for your lunch.
Yeah,
you don't need to go no game shop. What make you say you go to library? Why you say you go to the
yesterday, go play a game on the computer.
I might take sitting and licking.
I joke.
Don't play with me, Bob.
Alright, later here.
Go on to school.
Alright.
Have a good day here.
Yes. Later.
Morning.
Jaden already yet?
You know, say Jaden and go to school today because she don't feel good.
You not go to school?
No, she wake up last night with her belly button a kill her, so she not go this morning. She in there asleep, you know.
So, anyways, though,
So your clothes look so
no, man, I pick me up, show me in a bush, you know. So, give me a little extra change.
Change your door, you know money.
No, I will pay money. I want to shot it.
Alright, since Jaden and go to school this morning, I can't give you. We need you to carry back $500 out of the money here. You're going to take $500 and bring back $500.
Huh? Oh, no, sir. No, me never trouble that here. I'm taking it.
Carry back $500, come give me. I mean, I no joke.
Then on a 500, keep it on a 500 change.
Carry back your $1,000. Simple.
If they have 400, me carry back. Me carry back the change.
No less than $500.
No less than 400. Alright, understand.
No, man, I just take a shower when me done and just come deal with the film and come back out. Cause remember me tell this man say Jada don't feel good, you know. All I need to do is just give me run half an hour and me come. Yeah. Alright. Now look at more. Evening.
You good? Okay. You know, so today though, they are school and me see You know, me like this girl at school. But a 2 man in my class, 2 other boy in my class like half a girl and thing. So me afraid to talk to her, you know, cause me can't so me see her and I go talk to her. Just a beat, just a beat. So
all you do, if you're afraid, why you afraid to talk to your girl for? Are that 2 other boys in her class like her, yes, but how we girl like?
She like me too.
Exactly, how you she like. So just go up to her one day and talk to her.
Me I go up to her and say.
Just go up to her and talk to her and tell her say you like her and watch. If she like you, tell her back. Scratch that by the way, me 500 a day.
Good evening.
Evelyn.
What going on here, sir?
No, I'm going. He just come to me and ask me one little advice and me I give him little advice.
And you call that little advice?
I do know, yeah.
Go on.
But wait, hold on there. What me 500 a day?
Which $500?
He come to me this morning saying I had enough lunch money and me give him 1,000 and say if he care back 5 bills, come give me.
What a wicked boy. After I give boy money this morning, you know?
Well, it's...
You know, so me expect better from you. Enough for the 500. Me give back the 500. You know, say, me expect better from you do as an adult.
Our ham.
Me here you encourage Bob to have woman, to talk to woman. Baba how much?
Listen me, Baba boy pitney. If you rough in the street, you see Bob fi have woman. If I didn't want like a girl pitney, I have more to encourage him anyway.
That's what I say.
Baba boy pitney, I have to understand.
Whether boy pitney or girl pitney, they not ready for woman or man yet. So me no want to encourage my pitney if you have no woman. What you need for you do, I help him with his school work.
Listen me. Bob school work good though. He in class, good, he go good at class now. In grades alright, right?
But you need to do better.
Well, that with on the parents. You appreciate what Pitney do. Pitney do good in the class, what I mean by to do better. You might do the best in can.
You see, if you want to encourage nobody but have woman go and go breed and get one boy Pitney and left my Pitney alone.
Listen, I'm not ready for no more Pitney. And Baba my little cousin. I go always there for him. To encourage him and way to do one way enough to do. But what if the little boy want to have a little girlfriend? Me sure know when you go to school you have man. You can't tell me say you have man because me guys see him school. For your idea you want to take man. And a boy pitney that, so what?
So
what? And I like a girl pitney if you bring belly in your house.
Oh, so when him breed girl and girl come here my yard.
He not breed nobody because he not gonna have sex. All the better one time I tell him, so listen me, if you have sex, you use protection. Simple as that. And you if you tell a pitney that to me, he not supposed to come to me, contact to me. And you supposed to come to, but obviously afraid that you can't come to you.
Here what? Me appreciate so you look out for Bob, but me no want you encourage Bob to have no girlfriend.
Well, that never stop you and that not gonna stop me. When time you and not stop him neither. When time you there at school, you have man for your idea and me, but you want to stop people. Stupid.
Hello. Bob, you gonna give me high blood pressure?
What do you mean?
What you mean by although we cousins? Why you gonna beg her, boy? You gonna beg her lunch money? She say you beg her money.
And she give me.
No, this morning me get what me change? What me change?
What change?
Go on like you know no sense. Me $200 change and me tell you say if you care back. Have you prepare lunch money tomorrow now?
Yeah.
Alright, anyways. Me no want you take no lunch money from them, you know. You hungry?
No. And she stop me.
And you beg her?
No, she stopped me and said, me no say your mother give money but she want to extra.
So she say you beg her lunch money?
No, she lie. No, me
hello, let me tell her this. Make sure you no lie you tell me now. And anyways now, how old are you? You how much?
16.
16, and you feel say you're ready for girlfriend?
We had that. She tell her that.
Bob, stop going like you're an idiot. And that me not like with it. You see, anytime you tell lie, me know when you tell lie, because you stammer and go like you don't have no sense. Me I come through the gate and me hear she a lecture you bobo. Your man talk to her, this that. You're not ready for girlfriend yet. Focus on your book. And that me need you to do. I breed you want come get people, girl pitney pregnant and listen, let me tell you this.
Like me too.
The girl like you too, you like the girl, me no response with that. I am saying focus on your book. You hear me I tell you?
This one.
Me understand say you're 16 and you eat salt and you this and you that. Let me tell you this.
You must make salt.
Bob.
No old people. It's things about old people to understand them. But
Father God.
when I say I take my book, I can have a girlfriend and have my book same time.
Alright, here one. When you have your girlfriend, what you want to do? What you want to do?
What me and do? When you have a boyfriend, when you that.
Bob, no get smart with me. No get smart with me in a size.
No, me
Me ask you a question, you answer me question. Nobody answer me question with another question. Me in a size and companion.
Mommy, I same thing when your daddy do me and girlfriend with me and girlfriend.
I want to take sit now and knock you. Bob, go change your uniform. Go change your uniform. Jesus web. Lord have mercy.
You sit now here the time say I go look boy. You look about you already?
Look about
The same piece of money where you borrow how long now. And you say I go look about you and make me get it.
so make it go up. Eh? You have pity now make it go rush me for. I never meet her for breed, you know. I never me tell you or she if you go breed and get pity. Fi you don't want to rush me. And I'm my youngest one.
But look how long you borrow your money. All you do up and down every day, you don't have no money.
I'm lucky. I not pity me can up and down.
You're going like say having a child or something bad. Eh? Or something bad for have one pitney?
I don't nothing bad enough. But you should have wait. I want to run down pity for.
And now we can't breathe.
Well, we have.
Let me tell you something, girl. Me and a mule.
And now we make you cannot breathe.
Me and a mule. Me just ready for no picnic as yet. Me have to then me hot girl era same way. I know me couldn't carry no hot girl era.
If you hot, you would have bad or no bad.
Anyway, that's all you like money.
No, me go want it because I saw time for Jada get in school something them again. You see in school bag when I have any shoes on your foot. You barely have any good shoes on your foot. But I think getting things them so I go want the money.
No, this is a kind of brain. What's all this?
What's wrong?
Okay. Eh?
Auntie Joyce, you call.
I like your money.
Hello? Auntie?
Hello, are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you, Auntie. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you guys doing?
We're okay now. Everybody alright out here.
Because one I keep saying over here with me. So me call to see if me can get one of them. Which one of them I do good in a school?
When you say you want one of the kids to care for your file for one of them.
Yes, I need the best one who is doing good in school. Are you hearing?
Yes, I'm hearing you, Auntie.
Tell her which one I do good
I don't have enough money
later.
to file for the two of them, so I'm going to take one for now till further notice. So I need the best one who is doing good in school.
Alright, so what we would have to do is find out if Alia's daughter, if she's doing better than my son. But I don't really know right now which one of them I do better than which one.
Okay, no problem. Find out that and let me know.
Alright, so you're good differently. You want to talk to Pinky?
Yeah, sure.
Evening.
Good evening, darling.
I can't get 100.
Yes, but I have to the next 2 days from now because I'm busy right now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, later here.
Yeah, later. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, same to you.
You don't have to beg your woman money.
Let me tell you something.
You know, he said my file for you pick me already.
No,
One more.
listen now. Make she take Bob. Cause to home, me see Baba grow already.
Evening.
Hello, evening.
Old school. Come on, let's go and show your cousin say more want money for you. Look at Pitney have on her foot. Slippers she have to wear. The shoes mash up.
My niece, me can buy you one heap of shoes. That at least. You understand? I said this evening, check me. Check me this evening, yeah. And me get you one nice Crocs for your foot. You know I'm to fear mama.
You know what? Me I go in and go see if my daughter get no homework for help already, you see me?
You know,
Alright, me I come grow in my room.
cousins,
Come
I
on.
can't go in a room. I touch your phone.
Alright, Pinky, look
Call like
at you.
road every day.
Cousins, yeah?
Bob. You know me some more ask you about could you ask her in front of a crowd this I'm not too shame you. What make you look so? What make you come from school looking like this with your shirt out of your pants and thumb the pan head?
No, today a hot day. But the shirt actually, when I come out of the taxi, I take out your shirt out and they squeeze me. You buy your pants too small, pants way too small.
Listen what I say. I don't business. If I when you come out of taxi, you take out shirt out of pants. You see once you reach in your house, you're not supposed to undress yourself a road. I saw me a grow you, feel look like Cruff. Eh?
But you don't look like
If you ever tell me say you don't look like Cruff, I you sitting and knock you out in ya. If you ever see yourself how you look, me no want you look so brother, me no like how you look. Don't do that again, cause you make people feel say I saw me a grow you. I saw me grow you? Eh? Anyways, you not get no homework.
no, I don't get it.
Well, you go and take up your book and study. You hear where you... Me have something to tell you. See? Me have sit down. You remember Auntie Joycey?
Yeah,
Auntie Joycey, I plan to take one you are your next cousin.
take we.
Yes, file phone, but you know if you do good, they do better in a school. And she go take first. You understand what I say? Yeah. So try and make sure so your grades up to date. So you need to take out a book and study, revise. You hear me telling me I go up on the road and come back. Okay?
Alright.
Alright. I'm so come.
So how was school today?
School is nice, you know. Today when I student them and the teacher get up in an argument.
When I who?
When I student them and the teacher get up in an argument.
Student are faced with teacher from school. And make sure you know over there faced with no teacher, you know.
No,
and you know me
me
come
not
over
do
there
that.
and lick you in your face. So try make sure you have manners to your teacher them. And them and make you have education because me can't teach you. Oh. And them can make you become something in your life. So make sure you over there have manners and sit down and take in your book.
I have manners.
Nobody with no heap of friend or no company. By the way, when a reporter come in, can me not get no call or nothing yet, you know?
Next week.
Next week what?
Next week Wednesday.
And yeah, take your book.
Yeah.
You sure you pass every exam?
Yeah.
Alright, and when me talk to you, you hear me? Yes, mommy. Or yes, mom.
Yes, mommy.
Where's the look well?
Yes, mommy.
Oh. You hear what I'm pulling out now? Take off your uniform and put on the bag. You get your homework today?
No, I'm not getting no homework.
So how are they not getting no homework?
Look at
Oh, they don't give back the textbook them. Take off your uniform and go find something to do in the yard. You think me I raise no lazy pit here? You just play they want to wash.
I didn't collect my money. Alright, later.
Hold on. Go on.
come out on Sunday. You know how long more I see if I talk to you, my girl.
So me sit down in the sun.
Alright, look how shady there. Alright, come around us, come around us. Long time more I see if I talk to you, you know.
So how you could have want to talk to me about now?
Why make you stay so? Eh? Why make you stay so? May I talk to you? Why make you stay so?
And me I talk to?
I want me there so. You see Duppy there so? You see nobody there so with me?
What make me stay so? Oh,
Yeah.
what you talk about?
You're wicked, me get one little vision about you. You don't know what I say? You get a vision. You see the reason why you're not pregnant, the reason why you're not getting no youth all now and you're too cousin there for them youth. Because you see back in the days, you did do something to them, your two cousin them. Where would I make you get your youth before them get for them youth? But you know what reach you? Instant karma. You see what you do to them? You reverse and happen to you. You understand? So you end up not getting no youth and them have for them two youth. And that's why you not get no youth all now. And you know if you do it.
Thunder and fire roll on fire. What you say? Me. They do things back in the days. We start my two cousins.
What you mean? You know too.
No pitney.
You know too.
Hey.
Is instant karma reach you? You know too. Allow me to tell.
Take the right hand and twist your face today. You have sense. You look a fat boy.
You see, if you make me walk go down the road and spread your business, you have sense.
Me no business go on. You look a liar. That what kind of arm? Fast.
Your cousin they want to know about you. You're too wicked.
Move.
Go where you can't keep a man for yourself. You know say that's why you know you're not breed. Go where.
You look a dead dog.
You
Move.
don't know if you tell you say.
Go Jankro. Go slime. You look a show. I don't know if you call you. Come down now. Transmission.
Oh look a man and breed.
Cause
Me stress out.
well, I never felt me say stressing me. Just want it want pork food, girl. Go ahead, belly. Mama.
So me can't rub in on my face. You hear me say me there stress, you tell me about pork food. You go road go sit down and near me, you know, say you can't make one of we get some more to eat. Girl, right now me there stress out now. This is a school thing and stress me. See them me can't even fix up myself and look young and hot and fresh like one time. Every money me get, me have to think about school fee, back to school, lunch money, shoes, all type of things me have to think about. Yeah. Me I keep myself intact still in a butt. Not like one time.
Father God, you know what you do. That's
right now?
God right now. Say Father God, don't give me one pitney for me, you know, come in know how would I manage.
Girl, pitney and a hold on, pitney a blessing. So stop talking about hold on, it's a blessing. Right now, the stress all the me I don't have no money right now.
So we want me to do about?
So, I'm here, may I ask her one question? How we money thing, how everything I work out for you with Baba and the school thing? You know stress you?
Of course it has stressed me. You can ask that.
Girl, me have to ask, me have to one day for me want to stress. This is one I laugh going glad in a hand or pick me.
And that with you.
Say 2 only years to sit down and stress out. And you have up no big or happy fat weight. And me they are so little maga.
And that with you.
So let me ask you something. What fat weight have to do with money and pitney and whatsoever?
I'm gonna stress me too. Me fear pitney, fear Tiffin son, fear daughter. When me
feel for Tiffin son, child, hey, child.
Hey. 2 little cousin them. Look out, you know so now feed them. On the now feed them.
So like how you can't feed them, you know, can't give me money, you're bright like.
Me say me a feed for me.
You know see how me pitney I do good in a school girl and thing. Me pitney a mash up road. I am going to be next prime minister. I go come take me on top of it. So go and sit down.
You ever notice every time Pinky come over here? Pinky come over here, pay discriminate with Pitney.
Right.
You have to stop it.
Now you me leave.
Even baby girl. Woo, that's nice. That's so nice. Very good. Guess it's me now waste my money, girl. I'm not wasting my money.
My taxi is full, so Bob could fit in a taxi and the
It wasn't supposed to left on the one there now. What make you never wait for him?
You shouldn't wait for that taxi enough to left your cousin on road. No, do it again, here. No, all if he cause this time.
When how much percent Bob get I know?
It's smart no, so we get all 96 or so off. Me not put it past him, man. But you get 90, come give me a hug. Jesus Christ. Me not
wash your mouth and people pick me. You hear me I tell you?
I'll lick
Me
the
glad.
with friend out there. But come home.
Me daughter not tell no lie, the taxi full. The two of them normally come home.
Little girl bad there.
Me and him did a left from school and the taxi full in say me must just
And that you tell us if you tell we. Me no believe all look pitney nowadays.
You have one pitney?
Eh?
You have a pitney?
Me no have a pitney.
When you have a pitney, you can't talk.
Good evening, good evening.
Watch
Good
it.
evening.
Sonny boy.
You say, Acha, 100%.
You see?
Pound
I'm
that.
proud of you, my son.
100.
This is how me I talk about.
Sweet nephew.
Me have to go tell Auntie Jai see this.
I'm proud of you.
I'm a little cousin. Mommy just tell me nephew.
Me proud of you too, you know.
What
But
you get?
98.
that's one mark less.
Yeah.
High five.
Alright,
Nothing
my
to do with
son.
Bryce.
Alright, my son. Go on in and now.
But me happy for you.
Alright, let's go.
Congratulations, sis.
Hey.
Yeah.
Me I can't go in, you know.
Yeah, man. Go on.
Alright, here.
Alright.
Now buy you some here. Hear me cousin.
So I'm to shake. You not buy her something.
Me I buy her something, man. But why your uniform skirt so short, by the way?
I feel your pitney. In uniform the right way supposed to they know they no shorter. Come go on. Get up from the room. Get up and go on then no. Cause you come here for look down on people and discriminate people.
And money me the combo still to give back enough.
So come give me money. You say I eat a combo. You say look maga check out cranky donkey girl man. Jayla, come here.
Yeah, mommy?
What kind of style that?
Mommy,
How if you make Bob get 100% and you get 98%?
mommy, Bob the bio the teacher them.
What mean by bio teacher? School pitney a bio teacher?
He ain't a lick up with be a bad boy up at school.
Oh, so a cheating cheat
And
then?
I cheat. That's why I get more than me. Shouldn't get no more than me. I'll be there ask the teacher about it too. So I get more than me.
Listen to me I go up to your school, you know. Because I don't understand how you get 98 and Bob so done and get 100%.
I train a lick in a gang, mommy. In a gang with deep a bad boy up at school and they fight at people pin and all the teacher them afraid of him and that's why they ain't give him 100%.
Yeah. I'm proud of you still now, but me no like it. Bob should get 100% and you feel, listen to me, you know, and you figure for you know. Auntie want to take one on over, you know, and I you want to get the opportunity to take me out of the poverty life. So listen to me, see, next time if I'm 100% I get no, come tell me say I get nothing. You hear me say?
Yes.
Work for it. 98 good still a pass, but work for 100. I want to see 1 and 0 and 1 next 0. I don't want to see no 9 and no 8. No 9 and no 4, no nothing. 1 and 0, nothing less, nothing less. You understand me I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Go take off your uniform and find something to eat. Me cook.
Alright.
Go share out the dinner. No worry yourself, man. I know me I go do to that boy the Bob. I can't go. My daughter have to get the opportunity. No, that can't happen. No, me I go do. No worry yourself.
When me look on the paper, me see 2-0. Me see 1, me say, alright, I hit that. Oh God, I'm proud of
Why me
myself.
not tell you nothing? You're proud of yourself? You think you're proud of yourself like how me proud of you? Eh? Me say whole time out there so when your cousin come from school and tell her mother say at 98 she get me a fret. Come here and say wonder if Bob get lower or higher. Me no know. Actually I don't even know. Me I say look how mama gone foreign now and you left here. But see there?
Look like I'm here gone foreign.
Me can't believe. I'm proud of you. So
Oh,
tell
God.
me not even know much more
I
proud
don't
of
want
you.
baller, Jesus Christ. No champagne and they have to sell.
No worry yourself about champagne.
But anyways, I want to go freshen up now because I am so proud of myself. So, put it on for
Me I take a picture and send go give Jaincy because I can't believe say are you really a go foreign.
I'm me.
Lord Jesus, thank you.
Jesus, I'm me.
Thank you. Lord God. I have to go call Auntie Joycey.
Mommy!
Look a girl. At 7 o'clock now, you know. School call 8:30. You not come out of the house.
What school me I go now?
You drink tea yet?
Yeah.
Alright, me I go beg you. I want little tea for myself. Sugar done. So I beg you auntie little sugar for make some tea, yeah?
Alright.
Take up your bag and come out of the house.
Alright, later, mommy.
And make sure you lock off your phone when you go in the class.
Yes, mommy. So, mommy, Bob not ready?
Yeah, man, you ready, man. Wait for him out of front. Me I tell him say you're out of front or wait for him, yeah?
Alright.
Hurry up, boy, before you're late.
Tia,
Why?
you don't know sugar over here. I want to make little tea girl if you go to school.
You know, so I'm not sure I'm going to have to check if none around this, so...
Yeah, you look for me.
Alright, may I come?
Yeah. You good, sir?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Yeah, I get ready for school. Oh, get them on it.
Can I find none?
May I come? May I come?
I'll find some.
Sorry, it takes so long. See, look here. You can't take it, you don't have to carry it back.
Alright.
Alright, hurry up, Bob. Come go on to school, me say.
So I'm going to think cousin.
Eh?
Me I just
She not ready?
Yeah, she ready, but me and more and she get some for her smoke for warm up, man. Yeah.
Go on to school.
How are the boy there, man? Taxi hard to get them. Stand up out instead of wait for you all long.
I did tap on your room and I didn't see you.
Because mommy say soon ready, mommy say must wait for you out here so.
You never know see out there wait for me. Me are late.
Go down and so go get taxi, because taxi is to get down and say, hard to get up here so.
Don't you ram up so like a be a traffic.
Mommy, mommy,
Your girl no
me have
school,
something to tell you. Mommy, me have something to tell you. Mommy, me say, Mommy said just a while ago, we in a taxi they go to school, me and Bob, and police stop the car. And they ask the driver for license or something. And then they search all our bag and they find gun in a Bob bag. And then gone with Bob down a station and said then go lock him up. Well, auntie then they can we have to tell auntie.
Tell auntie what? So true police stop the car and search Bob and gone with Bob, you come back. No school, me say no.
But mommy, me have to tell you no.
Yes, me glad I tell him, but go on to school. Me go tell your mother. Go on to school. And you book if you day school and then you come back tell me. Me glad I tell me yes, but go on to school now. Me go tell your mother. Go on.
Alright, mommy.
Go on. But don't forget. You can go for it now, you don't go for it. I rush go tell nobody nothing. Take no time, yeah. I want to go to school with me. Tia! Girl, wake up! Girl, get up, you know, here's the police gone with the son. What you say? Police gone with Bob. And Jada just run come on back and say when them go to school night taxi, police stop and ask you some license business and they find gun in a bag.
You told a lie!
Girl!
Alia! Which station? Where?
If you know what she just the police gone with him, try and find him. Go on every whole station them. Hurry up.
Awa. Make Alia talk to you. I can't talk to you right now.
Girl, Alia. Awa.
Why? No, police gone with Bob. Find gun in my bag.
Where's it?
Mr. Police gone with his son. Yes, it's true. My daughter just run come home, left school, come here. Nobody go to school for run come tell me news. Send him back to school. She forgot to carry
What
book.
Baba do with gun in her bag?
I mean, I tell that, I mean, I ask that. Other day, my daughter tell me, say, Baba parried one bag of gang up high school and bad company, all type of thing. I don't know. Probably I
No,
didn't know.
this not sound. This not sound like it a connect to my brain. Bob, gun in her bag.
I take my slippers and lick
So hold on there. Anything I want to know that of your business? What you plan for about the situation?
What mean if you don't know for me, Pitney?
Mommy tell us how you set it up to you now. Mommy tell us how you set it up to you. Yeah?
Go on over.
You wicked like a walk.
Go on over.
Now go link to you. Tia, wait for me. Alia!
I know you two come call me neither. What you want?
I don't know type of no cussing.
What the man said to you? Why you not care? You not come out?
Right now, there's nothing I can do. When I say nothing, I mean nothing I can do right now. Because you gonna then find my bag. You amount of somebody depend that they're gonna name. So right now, I charge them and charge him. No matter how me talk and beg for him right now, but the good thing about him is see when I'm a police bridging and I don't know, hopefully he can pull a string for him. But otherwise right now, he can get where it get.
Actually, I didn't want to tell you this other day about Jada. They come home and tell me how a gang you up high school up already now.
The blood of Jesus.
No, so when me said, you run me out, I run me out to your yard. Oh, when me say, Bob in a bad company.
Because me didn't know that. Me didn't know.
But
you know, me didn't know that. I never know that the other day. Jada said to me.
So no chat me pick me behind me.
I know me and she say a bad company ma follow that she over here say.
Me don't chat pick me just a chat it truth. You see film data, amount of man film data take.
Are you give them?
You know what, I'm not even
Are you
chatting.
give them man them all of your man them she a text.
Come around your room, because you see she know a hypocrite.
And that thing forgetting it honey in there. Rotten to boy one go foreign. My daughter get through for go over this so.
Evening, mommy.
So even baby girl, sit down. Out my school today.
No.
You know you're not about your cousin. You better go down there. You know, come out for now, so I make sure you take your book, you know. Remember, take your book. I want to say 100%. I don't know, you can't ask me that. Ask your mother when you don't know growing, they go ask her. Go take off your uniform. And wash out the next uniform because that I last uniform I have. Wash the next one for go to school tomorrow. And make sure it dry.
Yes, mommy.
Why? Because it's a way. You don't get yourself in that trouble there.
I'm just me there I think, boy, me hope they alright though. Right now they go the fully stress.
Yeah, because
Mad out.
I give 10,000. Feel like help up with little things and
And
something.
you can't give me a little money where you owe me.
Because at 10,000 me want and the same money I take on give you, me have to give her. Because in a real life, me not all that bad as how me go out with my mouth. You know that too, cause.
Yes, no.
Yeah. It's a way, it's a way.
Want if you come out still.
Feel if you are see. Because me didn't want to watch a show, but no make no sense to watch no show.
Aliyah!
Oh, me there so.
I will live long do cause.
Oh God, look how you look.
Oh my.
Everything alright, man. So what happened down there?
Actually, some clothes me take from him for wash and carry some go give him some grocery. Thanks, sir.
Yeah,
Something.
yeah, man, cause. That good man.
Well, I don't know. It just the situation sticky bad. When I say bad, I mean I don't know where to turn. I don't know what gonna happen to Bob. I don't know if Bob as a child way in and no badness or nothing. And
Well,
the good thing about it still, after how long, I get a glimpse of him and something. So I kind of feel a little bit better now, but
oh, so you say alright and thing.
How you bring back cause? You know what? Watch on cause. See how the phone. Just
how way you go?
Watch I sit and blink up again. Me soon come back here.
Alright.
Yeah, me soon come, Ali.
So, let me ask you a question. Nobody not depend in case, no lie or nothing.
No, you know. Me have to go try get one lawyer, you know, say money that. I hold up my money for lawyer and something. And see there, because of what Auntie Joyce here, she not even want to help me now, so I don't know where to turn.
So that means that Jada will get for good then, man.
So it look to me like a
I didn't want
Jada.
Bob figure out because it's true, Bob, I have wife pitney. Bob, we go over go up in here and walk. You see me did want Bob come in here. Jada now. No, but
Boy, I
if
say
I
go.
figure she have to go
We are still family, so even if she go get bigger, get one work, she still can help you out in her life. I just say things said, so me I go.
Yeah, man, go on run, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man, go on. Me sure me know a little now, a little now rest your brain, man. Cause you look stressed.
Me that hurt me, I see girl.
No, man, none of them they stress, they run up your blood pressure and all of that, you know. I really wish me could have helped you, even baby girl.
Good evening. Hi, baby. What?
I'm to Bob now. What do they say about Bob now?
Bob alright, you know. Me just a try get him out. Cause I know he's innocent.
Cousin, you know. Missing cousin.
Yeah, me see him. And today asked me for you too, you know. But Bob alright still. But nobody not to talk about him at school, you know. They know at school what go on, what go down.
No, everybody. I know everybody know.
God. Mash up my son's reputation. And he not reach nowhere yet. Where Bob get himself in a man?
I could want to friend them. Tell us, I'm here saying I'm part with bad company. But you know, I listen so I saw you go.
Anyways, I'll grow on here.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Look, girl, how much time I tell about you better your clothes.
That's what me there.
You know, they at school, I sit down everywhere, I sit down and taxi with people. Get up off your bed and go take off your uniform, man. Take up your bag, put in the seat, or go hang up here. And go do your homework too. And I don't want to hear you not get no homework. Nowadays, I don't know what kind of teacher them about they not go no homework.
Hello?
Let's say I go on now.
I see no more me if you chat boy, you know.
Chat about what? After you disrespect
Yo,
me other day
listen,
and
low
talk about how
your
you joke me in my face. Eh?
To this man, brother.
Me no figure nothing, you know. Because me come and tell you the right. Because me vision something and me come say something to you. And you make it look like, say, yo, you want disrespect me. What you say now?
Listen to me.
Talk
Me
to
not
me.
business we not forget. You understand? Me have one girl. I want to set up one nice, young, sexy looking girl.
I like.
I mean she look clean her body like me. And she nice and she have cock up body.
Oh God no.
Yeah.
Brown like you.
Well, she brown you know, but she not too brown like me.
Sexy like you. Give me a 360.
Yeah.
Oh.
So hey, you go too far now, you know. You go too far now.
Alright.
Me a big man, remember that.
So me a little boy?
No, you a big man and me a big man, but just all the grown.
So where the girl there?
She the up the road.
So when me I say her now?
One other time.
See, not just say she there up the road.
Me just left her up there and she said she are going now.
Man, a joke thing, yeah.
Now you, me say me I set up on a girl. It's either you want it or you don't want it.
Me want it.
So what you fussing this for?
Me not fussy, but if you tell me about one girl and you say she there up there right now, me not must answer her.
Yo,
Me look like me a Tom and Jerry. Me not do play thing.
Calm, see. Here I go on. Just do it right. You understand?
Take my number, because you know my number. So just when you want me and her link up, you have to tell me, because... Yeah. Put in the number in the phone.
Yeah.
On the road, me I go on now, you know. Alright. So watch you now. Just make your link for me here.
Alright.
Alright. Bye bye now.
Here I go on my knees. I have a man for you.
You have one man for me. Which man that?
A man for you, and guess what? You don't have to worry yourself. You see that the man there? That the man there will spend for you. Anything you want in the world that we get from that the man there. You understand? So,
But suppose mommy find out.
don't worry about your mother. Everything good, me say. Me everything, me I take control. You understand? And me, I because you are deal with you know. Which you know if you call me auntie, see me even when me are no cousin. You understand? Me say everything are good. So.
So where man there?
Man, you just have to wait for a week. You understand? So, don't worry yourself, man. Everything good, man. See, man, yeah. I'm just hold on there, baby. Hold on there.
Have everything good, man, here. You link you up back.
Alright.
I could have changed your uniform though, like I could not try to beat up my thing, you know.
I never made anything. I just interested in
Ah, come on. Yo, my father! Me, I'm big in the street, you know, come on.
So they not dry good.
See
Put them
that?
back on the wire till they dry properly. What we are doing in my yard?
Me there, man. I some of me that look for rent, man. I pass through. You don't know no place I rent.
Yeah, look somewhere for rent.
Yeah.
So you look so familiar, like me see you somewhere before.
Me always say about your place, man. You always see me for true, man. You look familiar too.
You look familiar too.
Yeah, Pinky no cousin.
Oh yeah, me and Pinky a cousin.
Yeah, man. Then ask Pinky about me, man. Me I go deal with man. Ask Pinky about me. I always say about your place, and me and Pinky are good friend like that.
So wait then. If you and Pinky are good friend, and me if you ask Pinky about you, and you know say over here so Pinky stay sometime, right? So you come over here so if you look place to rent, why you never ask?
No, man. Then I come for ask Pinky if you don't know where I rent. But same time, I realize she not there. I come around a while ago and I say Pinky.
Me never hear call no Pinky.
But you don't know where I rent.
No, for me I look fine. Me just not trust you. You look so suspicious.
No, man. I Pinky, me say me that pass through come check, man. Cause I look for my friend. You know, so I just that me that just do.
Make sure just that you do, you know.
Yeah, man. I that me
Cause
that.
I don't really like man a linger in my yard.
No, I don't like that, man. I am Pinky live here. Someone who me a linger to. Yeah. Oh, your man there, oh sorry.
No, I don't care man in here because my daughter live here.
Oh, your daughter live here?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. I saw me that look for rent still, isn't it, so?
You look creepy, do man.
Yeah,
I don't trust you.
Just big up Pinky for me, here.
Alright.
Yell up your dad. Yell up Pinky for me.
You let me who?
No, me I say yell up your Pinky for me, Pinky. I through me kind of talk and stammer.
I talk and stammer.
Alright.
Pinky.
Bob, now your homework you're supposed to do. You don't have homework? Or you not studying for do? Bob, how much time I tell you say when you not have nothing to do, your book you're supposed to take up. Now that me always tell you.
Yeah.
Please take up your book, cause right now up on the road me I go and something, but me gonna go and help you. Where your book there? Where your book?
Go in the kitchen.
Go and feed it. Move the man. Let me see your book. What make you do work them and not finish them? Why you do work them and not finish them?
I finish them, but I just write the important part I it.
Take off this off your head.
One homework me get. And I'm maths.
So show me now, come and see it in this now.
See maths, yeah. See it there.
So you understand it?
Nope. Nope.
Where pen or pencil?
I can't do that.
You're not even ready for it. I don't know what wrong with
it. I
you.
don't like maths work. I can't do that.
Bob, may I go on the road and come back? When I come back, me help you, yeah?
Alright.
So happy to see you.
You come out. So you good at thing? I'm happy to see you come out, man. Yeah.
They don't hurt you, they don't beat you.
Oh man, I'll be.
Anyways.
So how come you come out?
Look healthy, do.
If me ever tell you know how come out, you don't know say the gun, they can't find him. Some corrupt copper, me don't know who, the gun just missing action overnight,
Girl,
case dash away.
I'm
glad
afraid I do that. Cause
Thanks,
you want
thanks.
to go family every night. And I pray to God say, do Father God. Make someone happen for let him out. You look for me over there, so you reach that drop out.
I'm
wrong with the tour,
I don't know what I'm to her. She just come up every day with her bad vibes, just a corrupt my spirit, so.
You lie. Ready?
So.
I want to
Come on.
Now where the mama?
How do you? Jada, come here. Come here.
Apa me share for me now?
How will you eat today?
No, sorry, let me sit down back.
Curry. Kind of curry.
Curry chicken and rice.
Curry. That one then gonna come. Gonna come. I'm going now, so. Come, sit down. Sit down over here, so. I forgot to give you something for your stomach, cause I go.
Wagwan. Watch you know. No man, I wanna eat so. Wanna they eat since me gone. Wanna they eat.
Well, 2 hours alone, I eat. Next one, I use my money by room all of this. Something. Nah, eat.
Chicken you not eat. That's how you get fat man. Wagwan. Watch out, me glad say you there. Come here.
Hey, girl, how you want to try that after my career?
Huh? No bother with you. No
If
bother
you look,
with
you say auntie there.
Alright, go up. Me glad say you there.
Say auntie there.
Are you me come for now?
Pass me the pass.
Are you me come for? Me come for you because me can't go bother if you care about with me. Bob put himself in a problem and in career dirty.
Oh God.
Too much fingerprint and one he pass right now in a Babylon system. He nailed the in there. As then go on his up. All kind of sitting there and say what you do from what you do. Me don't know how I'm going to get off that day, but I just like me wishing could have come but he can't come. But are you me come for? Come here. A long time I not see you, me glad to see you, man. Come me up again. Oh, you get big man, me glad to see you.
Auntie, you look nice too.
Thank you. But this one, me I stay one hotel up the beach. Royalton. So for the time being when me there here, me go start out your paper them. Give me a second please. Me go start out your paper them. So, you see when me I leave, and me and you go leave. You hear me? You know make you stay here so. Yes, so take more from this, me take up the whole of them one by one. You know, sorry about this, Bob. I am so sorry. Me glad to see you too, you know. Me glad to see you, but your finger them dirty. Too much fingerprint. Then in the system, your name call upon too much things. Your name call upon gun.
What?
Gun charge.
That I never.
I know you. But I know me
me.
say you in a system. That in the system. Oh, that I go clear now. You put yourself in a too much trouble and me used to warn you before me go overseas. Now me come back, you end up in a worse of things. I'm sorry because we did come down to come sort out you, but you can't go work. Anyway, the taxi driver they wait for me out there, so I just
Anyway,
come
auntie, me not cut her. Me can't get the $100 USD they promised me.
You know me not carry cash for me because I'm afraid of the people them. And me card me use. No, leave her. Me go give all out the money.
But she she couldn't wait till I give it to her, man. She don't have to beg you. Because she know once a day it will go.
Hold on on my knees. You see me I go
Yeah,
carry-
somebody.
No, no bother with it. When we go for the card, when we come back the next time, I give all out the money. Remember say hotel me there, you know, so one of the time I go make sure somebody buy some pass. Put on my name, I invite you to my hotel because I eat some nice food.
Alright,
so,
thank you.
Alright, remember me go start out your
Alright,
paper then.
thank
Take care here. Love you guys. Taxi man will wait for me later.
Yeah.
You too.
Let me go use the basket.
Alright, go on.
I go on the road.
Me a girl.
Yeah. That you pick it, ouch, fine. I don't tired. You know, so now you pull up upside and say, now you don't like me, you know.
I see when you look in here.
No, no, nothing young. Ay. Look off the fan there, I get cold.
I feel like I chest and problem so I can't come dash my way again.
Hello.
How Bob do you know?
Well, Bob do everything about Bob. Bob this, Bob
I
that.
know Bob, but true me feel say Bob do something wrong, like Bob eat out the food or something. I don't have nothing bad. Just make it thing look so man.
Oh God, everything will be a problem. That's why I can't no pitting them, you know.
You alright?
Yes, auntie.
You sure?
Yes, auntie.
So what you do is she have breathe in and out. She have life. What you do her?
You see, you will love wash your mouth pan people pick
Listen me, never yet wash them out pan Bob, so don't do them something there.
I just go into the bathroom to find that.
Fair enough. I feel that though.
For who?
Girl, congratulations.
Big woman like on me. When me have the next
Side.
picnic?
Your cousin I get one next minute to Bomba. Watch out.
Congratulations.
Oh, the damn fool. Me grew on day. Then she said she got a bathroom. Remember so she did a vomit. She left so she go in the bathroom, right? And she did a vomit. Now so you go. So what that's supposed to mean? But she eat curry chicken and white rice. She pregnant?
Yeah man, glory be to the most I give thanks to life burn down to the ground, take and go do it though. So over the time we've been doing it and we're still doing it. You know what I mean? Some people say, yo, you still at the movie? Yeah, we still at the movie. Can't stop. You know what I mean? Won't stop. So I haven't taken on the half. Cause I know enough half. You know what I mean? So who know? So you know what I mean? So 2025 and now we're there, you know. We are take our time, cruise into it, but we don't want to lose into it. You know what I mean? If you understand, we between the line. Lot of things are going, lot of things to say, but we can't say no because me a whole lot of things I deal with now. Me I shoot a movie right now as I'm doing this, so I gotta go. So while you're watching this, oh you're done. You don't watch it, alright. You leave a comment, you subscribe already, give thanks. We are going to the 100K with a near teeth. Right? So just do the right thing. We don't as we catch 100, we have a big surprise. We're going to unleash. You know what I mean? We'll come across the island. You know what I mean? So we don't know party go drop yet, but when it drop, we'll hear about it. Anyway, big up all the sponsor them from that time till this time. You know what I mean? Big up everyone supporting the movements from that time till this time. You know what I mean? Enough love all the time, man. We've been doing it, man. And you've been watching. You know what I mean? And that's good. Let's move these movements forward. You know what I mean? We're getting a lot of fight, but we can't talk about that tonight. Let's go.